Bongo, before you leave, may I know if I know you are pushing for the institutionalization of MAIP. I would like to ask you if this government can guarantee that mangyari ngayon zero billing, whether public or private hospital, are you amenable kung for the scrapping instead of MAIP? Dahil wala naman tayong gagastusan sa MAIP kung zero budget na lahat. Di ba?
Di, kaya nga, kung zero budget po,
Kung
even
zero budget.
siyempre, mas mabuting wala nang babayaran ng Pilipino para sa akin. Whether in public or in private hospital, sana po to the barest minimum dapat ang binabayaran po ng pasyente. Kung maaari nga, wala eh.
So, mangyari dyan, concentrate natin yung pondo doon sa PhilHealth, i-scrap na natin yung MAIP.
Sabi ko nga,
Lagyan ng pera yung MAIP.
pag malaki ang coverage ng PhilHealth, mas magiging mababawasan ang problema ng Pilipino. Hindi na sila magmamakaawa, hindi na nila kailangan na humingi ng tulong sa iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno, hindi na nila kailangan pumunta sa politiko.
Thank you.
Importante rito para sa indigent patients.
Thank you. My,
Mr. President, also would like to thank the Chairman of the Committee on Health, Senator Bongo, that he already committed that we will be convening the Oversight Committee on implementation of UAC. At malaking bagay rin po yung kanyang pong mga naging hearing sa kanya pong pamumursige at pangungulit sa PhilHealth kahit papano ay nag-improve yung kanila pong packages, no, tumaas yung ban, pero hindi pa po tayo. Kaya nabanggit, we're still far from there. Marami pa challenges. Pero pagtulong-tulungan po natin, and I'm proud to pass this measure here in the Senate because marami ho ang nagtumulong dito para maipasa ito at marami pa ang patuloy na tumutulong para maging katotohanan itong Universal Healthcare Act. Naipasa ito nung panahon na kaya si Senate President Tito Soto, si Majority Floor Leader Mig Sumiri, sila po ang talaga tumulong para may pasa ito. Together with our Deputy Minority Leader as my co-author and sponsor, Senator Pia Cayetano, no? Sila po yung mga naging co-author po natin. At ngayon, hanggang ngayon patuloy na maraming sumusuporta with Senator Bongo and the rest. So I'm proud that this Senate has been really serious in really striving to achieve that goal of having a genuine universal healthcare for all Filipinos, Mr. President.
thank you, Senator JB.